In today's job market, 75% of new jobs require a bachelor's degree. But should they? Maybe not. Currently, only 4 out of 10 workers have a degree. And degree requirements exclude over 70 million skilled American workers who have acquired skills through alternative routes, such as online courses. We call them stars. This diverse group holds the skills required for in-demand positions, yet they remain untapped. By placing unnecessary degree requirements, companies pay the price in the form of longer hiring cycles and limited diversity and equity within their workforce. But there's a better way. Many companies are now prioritizing a candidate's skills over degrees, also known as skills-based hiring. And InStride's new InSkilling service makes it possible. It all starts by analyzing targeted roles for degree requirement removal and identifying the relevant skills needed for the role. InStride will then work with you to build education programs that give star employees the chance to develop skills to advance their career while earning credit towards degrees and other credentials. By bridging the gap between skills and opportunity, we help you create a more flexible, equitable, and talented workforce. Ready to unlock the potential of skills-based hiring? Contact us to learn more.